So let's now give him his grade on healthcare because that is the next thing. So that's a nice little segue. All right. His promises, real changes begin with immediately repealing and replacing the disaster known as Obamacare. I will never do anything that will jeopardize or hurt Social Security or Medicare. He promised May 2024. And we will never forget that he stopped saying, I have a plan coming out in 2 weeks, but he had concepts of a plan. We still don't know what those concepts are. The reality, ACA subsidies expire in roughly 8 hours, a little less than 8 hours. Medicaid is cut over $1 trillion over 10 years. Didn't he say, I will never do anything that will jeopardize or hurt Medicare? Didn't say Medicaid. 10 to 15 million people will lose coverage, according to the CBO. 300 rural hospitals are at risk of closure. I know that they included in there this $50 billion for rural hospitals, but these are already on the brink, and the $50 billion is like they're going to lose $300 billion. So the $50 billion is just like, oh, it looks like you amputated your arm by accident. Here's a Band-Aid. Does not really help. They're all going to, a lot of rural hospitals are going to shut down. And I can't tell you how bad that is if you live in a rural area. Because if you live in a rural area, the average time is like already can be like 30 to 40 minutes for a hospital. If the closest one is shut down, then you could be looking at an hour and a half drive